it seems to have caught the public imagination. And it's all over on the internet and Twitter and everything. I've had to do more interviews on radio and television, which means that the whole subject is now caught the public imagination, and they realise that the problem of music in schools is serious. The funny thing, actually, in the high school that I went to, is the music master left at the end of my second year, and then somebody else kept the choir going, and eventually there was no choir there, nobody to do it. And in my total innocence, I went to the headmaster and said, I think it's awful, there isn't a choir here. And he said, why don't you do it yourself? Which means he was actually trying to get rid of me, really. And it went straight over my head, and I thought that's why I did it. So that's how I started conducting. And then one realised the importance of singing and music in schools and in education, and the effect it had on people. I found the questioning exceptional in the sense that they were really focusing, each individual who asked me a question focused on perhaps their experience and expertise, and asked me, what would you agree with this, do you not agree with that, various things. What I hope is that the government will, what came right at the very end, would ring-fence money. Apparently, some money that has been, let's say, ring-fenced for something or other, but then the music part of that has been taken away by another organisation. Music should be ring-fenced because of the importance of music, not only for music making itself, but for how vital it is in the young people's development and education.